Hello, you two. This is a change for you guys. You're not used to seeing me, Miss Miller, delivering your lessons, but I am going to be delivering a few maths lessons for you. This is for children who sometimes need additional support in class, or for anyone who just wants to do a little bit more learning. So, our learning objective for today is, can I describe movement? Can I describe movement? So I just want you to think, what do we mean when we say movement? I'm sure you've got lots of good examples. So movement is talking about when things move, when things go in different directions. When we're talking about movement in maths, we want to describe those directions so that if someone was to have to walk or run or any other acts of movement, we would be able to describe which direction we want them to go in or how we want them to move, based on our words. So today we are going to learn those words so that we could tell someone where we want them to move or how we want them to move. Hope that makes sense to you guys. Let's get started. There are some key words that we need to know. We're going to go through them now. Left. The best way to remember which is your left is by making a capital L with your thumb and forefinger. I'm going to show you from the back so it looks the same. Can you see the L that my left hand is making? We want ours to look just like this, and then you all know that you need to move left. I want you to try that. So I want you to try and make an L, and I want you to move to the left side by taking one step. And we're going to make our L, and we're going to take one step to the left. Excellent, well done. I'm so glad to see you trying. Okay, now we're going to look at taking a step to our right. Sometimes we might need to move to the right. So if I turn around again, you can see that it doesn't make a proper L on this side. It makes a bit of a backwards L. If you put your hands like this, the left side will be the good L, and the right side will be a backwards L. So I know that this is right because I can see a backwards L. So now I'm going to take one step to my right. Can you have a go and see if you can find out which one of your hands makes a backwards L, and then take one step to your right? Okay, our next word then is forwards. This is one that lots and lots of you will know, and it's not too tricky. When we're moving forwards, we need to look which way we are going. If you can see our turtle up here, our turtle is looking forwards, so he will know to walk forwards. So forward is going the same way that your face is looking. Can you move yourself one step forwards? So I'm standing straight, I'm looking in front of me, and I can move forwards. Can you have a go and see if you can take one step forwards? Oh, just like our turtle has done. It is important to look at which way our object is facing. That's something we really, really need to remember. If we are going backwards, it is behind us. So we might not be looking that way, which is a little bit tricky. We can look over our shoulder, and then we would be looking backwards, but it is behind your body. Can you move yourself one step backwards? Excellent. Let's see if our turtle is going to move backwards. Well done, turtle. You managed to move backwards. Okay, now it's your turn. This is very short, very simple. And we're just looking at that left, right, forward, backwards. That's all we're looking at today. So simple, so easy. I know you guys can do it. So what I would like you to do is, with your parent, give them direction to move around your room. You might tell them that they need to take 3 steps forwards and then turn right. You might then tell them that they should take 2 steps backwards and then turn left. If you really want to challenge yourself, you can try and think of where you want them to get to. For example, you might want them to get to the kitchen from the front room. Have a look and see if you can do it yourself. Note down the directions that you take. For example, if you move 5 steps forwards, have a scribble down and put 5 steps forwards. And then you can give those directions to your parents or your siblings and see if they end up in the same place that you did. You can ask your parent to do this for you too. And this activity should probably take no more than 10 minutes, or you can make it as long as you want and have as much fun as possible. We can't wait to see your submissions on Tapestry or Facebook, whatever you want to do to send them to us. And we hope that you're keeping safe and well at home. See you soon.